Hi, my name is Rebecca Reel, and I love to celebrate the 80s with You Gotta Have Faith. Well, I guess it would be nice if I could touch your body. I know not everybody's got a body like you, but I gotta think twice before I give my heart away. And I know all the games you play, 'cause I play them too. But I need some time off from that emotion, time to pick my heart up off the floor. Oh, when that love comes out with our devotion, well, it takes a strong man, baby, but I'm showing you the door. 'Cause I gotta have faith, I gotta have faith. Oh, I gotta have faith, I gotta have faith. Baby, I know you're asking me to stay. Stay, please, please, please don't go away. Say I'm giving you the blues. Baby, I know every word you say. Can't help but think of yesterday, to another who tied you down to the lover boy rules. Before this river becomes an ocean, before you throw my heart back on the floor, oh baby, I've reconsidered my foolish notion. Well, I want someone to hold me, but I wait for something more. 'Cause I gotta have faith, I gotta have faith. Oh, I gotta have faith, I gotta have faith. Oh, I gotta have faith, the faith, the faith. I gotta have faith, the faith, the faith. I gotta have